Here's a Thai-inspired chicken salad, and what makes it quite special is the pop of sweetness that we get from the lychees. So let's start with a very quick dressing to go with this. I want a bit of heat, so I've got 1 small chilli. I've left some of the seeds in because I want that heat. If you don't want it to be as hot, remove the seeds. To this, I'll add 1 clove of garlic, and I've just minced that. And the classic 4 ingredients that you need for a dressing like this: some sugar, and some sesame oil, and for saltiness I add some soy. And we're just going to bruise all of those flavours together. I want to dissolve that sugar too, and then some acidity, and I'm getting that from some lovely lime juice. So we'll just cut that in half. This one's going to be quite juicy, so squeeze that directly in there. I want a good hit of lime for this to give it that tropical feel. Okay, 1 last stir, and I'll just have a taste to make sure everything is balanced. Oh, that's so good. When it's really punchy, you know you've got a good dressing. You don't want it to be mellow, because by the time we add all of the other ingredients, it needs to stand up to that. So we'll pop that to one side and we can assemble our salad. So in a bowl, I will add some chicken. This is a really great salad to do when you've got some leftover chicken. So I've got some chicken thigh here that's cooled down. I'll go 2 chicken thighs, and I'm just going to roughly chop the thighs. You could also change this up and use some prawns, would work really nicely with a dish like this. This can go into our bowl, along with some tomatoes that I've just segmented, and some crunchy, refreshing cucumber. I've got some purple shallot, 1 purple shallot, and we'll just add that. And then for that pop of sweetness and again that tropical feel, I'm adding some lychees. I love lychees. I love their texture too, and they're great for a salad just like this. So they're not only fantastic for desserts, in savoury dishes too. Lychees are seasonal, so you can't get them all year round. So if you've got some frozen lychees on standby, then you can make this salad all year round. To this, some fresh coriander, and I'll just pick that into the salad. Can be quite chunky, almost like a lettuce leaf for this. And we can start dressing this with our spicy dressing. A few generous spoonfuls. You want to leave this to the last minute so everything stays super crispy. And give it a toss. Just be really delicate so we're not bruising any of the herbs in there. All right, let's plate up. A generous mound in the centre of a plate. Get rid of that tomato on the top there. And a few of those lychees. And it's all about texture when it comes to Thai salads like this. You'll never get a Thai salad without lots of crunchy peanuts, so I'm going to add some peanuts over the top. I'm going to leave them whole. And I like some crispy fried noodles too, so a sprinkling of that. You don't want to add them to the salad, put them on the top, and then when you serve it, you can mix it together. That is a vibrant salad. That is really the taste of the tropics there, with the addition of the lime juice and some delicious lychees.